Hi contractors, want to take your business to the next level in Maryland? Whether you're working on home renovations or managing large commercial projects, getting your general contractor's license is essential for expanding your opportunities and ensuring compliance with state regulations. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today I'll be explaining everything you need to know to get licensed in Maryland. So stick around, this could be the boost your business needs. Contractors play a vital role in Maryland's economy, working on residential homes, infrastructure, and commercial spaces. The state takes licensing very serious, so you'll need to meet specific requirements. Now, depending on your focus, whether residential, commercial, or specialized construction, you'll need the right license, which may involve passing exams, proving your experience, and securing the necessary insurance and bonds. Now, speaking of insurance, general liability insurance is a must. It protects against property damage and injury that can occur on job sites to third parties. You'll also need surety bonds, which guarantees that you'll fulfill your contractual obligations. Now, here is an example of an insurance certificate that you will need. This shows your clients that you're covered and trustworthy. It's a crucial step to building a strong reputation in Maryland. Staying in touch with licensing authorities and keeping up with all the paperwork is key. It shows clients that you're a professional who follows proper procedure, helping you build trust and securing more contracts. To become a licensed contractor in Maryland, ensure you have the required experience, you've passed the necessary exams, secure the right insurance, and complete the state licensing process. Are you ready for more? Be sure to check out the full blog. Just click the link in the description for all the extra resources you'll need to nail the process. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for even more contractors tips. You may also leave any questions you may have in the comments. Thanks for watching and best of luck as you take your next big project in Maryland.